Everybody, welcome to another Cake-tastic Cakes video. I'm going to show you how to make the Spider-Man logo out of gum paste today. And this one the idea is really basic, but it's a little annoying, I guess is the word. But let's begin. Get yourself the background of red, because that's what our little spider symbol is going to go on. The spider symbol, I just went online, found a template, printed, cut, there you go. And as you can see, once you get your little red background, I rolled out some black very thin, put the template on top, rolled it out so it made an imprint. You can see it there kind of in the shadows and reflecting. So yeah. And then you start cutting. Using your X-Acto knife, you're going to start from the outside and kind of work your way in. I found this works a little bit better as far as the legs getting stretched out of shape and everything, which you're definitely going to encounter if you try this, and it'll make you insane. And that's why I said Spider-Man, the concept is real basic and simple, but I had to remake it several times because the darn legs kept getting out of shape. Even here you can see they're a little wonky up at the top. But when you get them like that, you start trimming, trim, and it's still pliable, so shape them, bend them back the way they need to go. When you pick it up, do it very carefully. You do not want to lose a leg, because then you have to start over. Place it on the circle. You can use the template again to match up where you need to place it to make it fit just right. And then once you get the legs and everything in the proper placement, then you add your water. Do not put any water on this thing until the legs and everything are exactly the shape and the angle you want them to go. But then that's it. So once you very carefully get this done, it looks really good on a superhero's cake. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.